dm.xpt5. Next one is the cm.xpt5. In our previous classes, we have converted each and every data set into txt file, XLS file, MGB file also, access tables. But clinical side especially, we have to convert each and every data set into XPT file only. XPT stands for export file. Okay, that is a one separate tool here. You can download via Google only, but this is a inbuilt by default. Okay, each and every machine you can see the same software. So this is a export file actually. Now I want to create one data set and I want to convert this data set into XPT file. Before submitting, okay, we have to convert each and every data before submitting to FDA. So FDA or WHO company, these they will check your XPT files. XPT files are required and they will validate also. So what is the purpose of XPT files means? Once you created XPT file, okay, CDISC validation purpose, this is very important. CDISC is a one more tool here. Clinical side especially, guidelines. These guidelines are very important for SAS programmers, clinical SAS programmers I am saying. If anybody completed learning course, CDS, then you are eligible for clinical domain. So here, XPT files main purpose is a CDISC validation purpose. Then how to do the validation means I will share one video, I will show you. So prepare today, tomorrow and after tomorrow, that video here, you can get more idea. But don't worry, I think while discussing the clinical classes, you can get more idea. But anyhow, we are discussing it today, XPT files creation. After this, if you want to practice, you can practice only. Okay, so here, what is that software means? Pinnacle 21. So directly open Google. Okay, you can download the Pinnacle 21 software only. Pinnacle 21 is a one more software actually. So you can download it via Google and install in your machine. This is hardly, it will take 2 minutes only, just less than 2 minutes. Okay, this is a separate tool. Pinnacle 21, what is the purpose of Pinnacle 21 means? That is a CDISC validation purpose. If anybody wants to do the validation, you need XPT files only. XPT files are required here. Without XPT files, we cannot create, we cannot develop, do the validation, especially clinical side only. That is again I am saying. Now here, how to create the XPT files? The XPT files we can create either data step or prompt step also. Data step or prompt step. We can create the two ways here. So first I will explain prompt step or data step your wish, then I will go for prompt step only. First we will go for data step. Okay. So here now I am commenting this one and this is also commenting now. So if anybody wants to create the XPT files via data step, libname is required only. So already we have discussed libname syntaxes, how to create the libname, lib reference and the path location here. For example, a libname, lib reference is ABC. What is meant by V9? Display the engine name or not? That is engine name. Engine name is what is our engine name? V9. V9 only. So each and every data set results in our output window. Engine is by default V9, but this is not required. This is an optional. Libname, lib reference, and engine name. Engine name is optional. With use engine name, without using engine name, both are same only. But that is an optional. Now I am executing this one. I have submitted. Here what is my lib name here? Anybody? What is our lib reference here? Library name? What is my sorry? Worker. What is my library name here?
ABC.
ABC is my library name. This is already we discussed here. I have explained very clearly. So libname ABC was successfully assigned. Engine is a V9. Physical name is a so on. So physical name is nothing but your library path location. Now go to your libraries. So now ABC library successfully created only. You can see this is a empty now. ABC I have created successfully. This is the library creation. Already we have discussed. Now I want to create the which one? I want to create the XPT file. Okay, at that time also libname is required. Libname. Lib reference is your Vishya. Whatever lib reference I am giving stances. My lib reference is a stances. Engine name is required. If anybody wants to create the XPT file, engine is export. Export we have to use it, okay, because we are creating the XPT files. If anybody wants to create the XPT file, engine we have to specify the export. This is the mandatory, but this is not mandatory, optional, okay, but this is the mandatory export engine. If anybody wants to create XPT files by using libname, engine name is mandatory. Next, give your path location. Under this path location, I am creating here, for example, dm.xpt. So what is my file name? dm. What is the extension? xpt. So here lib reference and your file name, your wish. You can change your file name also. No need to use same. So this is the my lib reference. Under this path location, I am creating dm.xpt file. Now, data is set. For example, in my data set, SAS helper data class is there. I have created this data set. I want to convert this data set into dm.xpt file only. So what is our lib reference here? Stances. Done. What is our file name? dm only. We have to write it stances dm, that's only. So here in the real time scenario, once you have created your data set successfully, please use the data set name in your set statement, and in data statement lib reference is required, file name also required only, stances.dm. Now I am executing this one. Go to your log window. Now you can see here libname stances export successfully assigned. Engine is a export only. When I open this one, you can see here DM dataset. This is a SAS export transport file. DM dataset is successfully created by using libname dataset only. Now anybody here I am creating with data BUY by only set SAS helper by BUY. Now your task is please convert this by dataset into by XPT file only. My file name is available, my dataset in my work library. So I have created this dataset in my editor window. This is the final dataset. My development is over. Now I want to convert this dataset into by XPT file only. How can we do that? Anybody? Again we have to use libname, then lib reference is a your wish only, but lib reference always we have to use less than or equal to 8 bytes. Engine is required. Then give your folder path location, in which folder you want to create your by.xpt file only. Here what is my dataset name? By. So BUY by.xpt, that's only. Now here data semicolon set. What is our work data set name here? What is my work data set name inside the work library? By. Then what is my data statement code here? VS data XPT or BUY? Your file name. Okay, then run it. So when I am submitting this one, you can see this here, libname successfully assigned to call as export. When I open this one, so we have successfully created SAS export transport file only. So this is our which one? XPT files creation by using data step probably. This is the data step. So here anybody, any doubt, please let me know. Clear means I will go for next one. Yeah. How to delete the SAS dataset here? Anybody? How to delete my SAS dataset? Anybody? By using? How to delete? I am asking. Kill option. We have discussed the kill option, we have discussed the proc delete, everything. Kill we have to. Don't say kill option. Please say proc dataset kill option. If you say kill option, in which procedure we have to use kill option? Proc printer, proc deleter, proc sorter. So say procedure name along with the option. Now I have deleted in my work library. What is my dataset name only? That is a BUY dataset. I have successfully deleted only. Okay, this is proc delete procedure. Now, today you have joined in my company. Now, here especially, I have given one path location. This is my path location. Your work is import this XPT file from outside to inside and create your dataset only. So for example, BUY is my XPT file. BUY, it contains the BUY dataset. I want to import this BUY dataset from outside to inside this SAS location. So then how can we do that? That purpose again, lib name. Okay, you can create the lib name only. Lib reference your wish. I am giving V. Engine is a export only because we are importing the XPT file from outside to inside. So this is my file path location, that is a XPT file path location. Go to security, select this entire file path location, Control C. Okay, so paste it here. Fine. Now here, so data set, comma. Now here, run it. So what is my lib reference? BBB. Please use that lib reference in your set state. What is your file name? BUY. Please use the BUY in your BBB.BUY. Here also BUY, because I am creating this by data set in my work library. Now execute this one. When I submitted, you can see by data set successfully created. So there is no issue also. You can see here like this. BUY. But anybody please let me know how to import this DM dataset here from outside to inside. This DM dataset again we have to use which one? Lib name. XYZ only. So you export, give your folder path location. Under folder path location, what is your DM.xpt? So data DM set XYZ dot XYZ dot DM. Then run it. Now, so now 19 observations, 5 variables we have opened. Now we have successfully imported. So this is our data step here. We can, okay, anybody any doubt please let me know. I have created XPT file and I have imported XPT file from outside to inside only. Don't get confused here. Okay, so anybody any confusing or anything, please let me know here. This is the syntax for one is a importing, other one is a, this is for creation. So you can see this is for the creation of the XPT file. This is the importing of the XPT file. Both are different only. Anybody any doubt here? Clear or still anyone any doubt? Yes. Clear. Yes. Now. Oh, so here now I have deleted this one. This is not. DM dataset is only one dataset is available. Now as of now I have created XPT file by using data step. I want to create the XPT file by using proc step. How can we do that? So by using proc step, if anybody wants to create the XPT file in SAS, we have two procedures are there. One is a C port Other one is a C import. So C port and C import two procedures are there. What is the purpose of C port? Means creation of the XBT file. If anybody wants to create, which means I have given one data set, please convert this data set into one XBT. So by using proc C port, we can convert the many data sets into one XBT also. One data set into one XBT or many data set into one XBT by using proc C port procedure. C port is used for creation of the XBT file. C import is useful for import the XBT files only. Okay, I want to import the XBT file from outside to inside, then we can use the C import. So yes, proc import procedure already we have discussed. By using proc import procedure, we can import the text files, XLS files, MDB files, but not for XBT files. If your source is a XBT file, then we have to use here proc C import procedure. Don't use proc just import. C import is required only. Now, I want to create the XBT file by using proc step. In that scenario, no need libname here, but we have to use file name. File name is required. File reference is required only. File reference. So here I am giving R. My file reference is a R. So then give your folder path location. In which folder if you want to create this XBT file. Now I am creating source folder only. Control C. Here I am deleting all files here. Whatever files I have created, I have deleted. Now this folder is empty. Under this folder, I am creating here dm.xbt only. dm.xbt. Now see this here. This folder is empty. This is a file name. File reference, engine name also not required because this is not a libname. Now here proc C port data is equal. Which data set if you want to convert? I want to convert DM data set. DM. Then file is equal to file reference only. My file reference is a R. Then run it only. So here syntax is instead of the proc print data, we have to use proc C port data. Then on top of that, when we use the proc C port procedure, we have to use file statement also. File is equal to give your file reference. What is my file reference? R. I have given this R path location. R file reference was pointing to dm.xbt only. dm.xbt. Now I am submitting this one. When I submitting, go to your log window. So see this here. Proc C port begins to transport the dataset work.dm. When I open, now you can see DM dataset is successfully created. Okay, now for example, okay, cars dataset is there. Data cars in my work library, SAS Alberta cars, then run it only. Now when I am submitting, you can see in your work library cars dataset also. I want to convert cars dataset into cars XBT file by using proc C port procedure. Then we have to use file name. File reference is required. So when we go for proc step, file name is required. When we go for data step, libname is required. Along with the libname, engine name also mandatory. Libname, lib reference and export is a engine. So here I am giving, okay, so which one? So SPR only, my file reference. Give your folder path location. Under this folder path location, my which one? My XBT file name is a cars.xbt data. Then we have to use not data. Proc C port. C port data is equal. Which data set you are converting? Cars data set. File is equal to what is our file reference? SPR. Then run it only. Now I am submitting this one. When I am submitting, now you can go for log window first. There is no issue. Proc C port begins transport dataset to work.cars. So when I open, you can see cars dataset was successfully created only. Now I have used the only one dataset. in the first syntax, I use the one data set, in second import procedure also. I mean here I am converting one data set into one XPT, but I want to convert all data sets into one XPT. I mean cards and DM two data sets are there. Now I want to convert these two data sets into one XPT. Okay, not only two, there is no limit here. File name, file reference is a SPV. Then here give your folder path location. Under this folder path location, XPT file name your wish. I am creating DM underscore cast because here two data sets wise I am creating one XPT file only. Syntax is a proc cport. Proc cport lib is equal to. Don't write it data. So proc cport data is useful for only one data set we are converting into one XPT. But if you are converting all, okay, all library, then proc cport lib is equal to work only. On top of that, file is equal to file reference. File reference is a SPV. Then run it only. So in my work library, 100 data sets are there, but I don't want two data sets only. We can use either exclude or select statement also. Exclude and select statement, it works in cport procedure. Out of 10 data sets, I want to convert 4 data sets into one XPT. Then please mention select and these 4 data sets, whatever 4 data sets if you want to convert, please mention those 4 data sets in your select statement. Now I am submitting this one. When I submit it, you can go for this. Any error here, you can see 2 times here proc cport begins. One is a cars, other one is a proc cport begins, one is a DM. So we have successfully created, okay, this file also DM underscore cars dataset created XPT file. In this XPT file, we have 2 data sets are there. Here only one data set, here only one data set. Okay. As of now, anybody, any doubt here, please let me know. Proc cport procedure. Yes, please. Clear. Okay. Now again I am deleting all data sets. Proc delete data is equal underscore all underscore. Then run it. Now in my work library there is no data sets here. There is no data sets only. Now today you have joined in my project. I have given one path location. In that path location you can see the XPT file. Now I want to import the XPT files from outside to inside this as environment. How can we do that? So this is the our path location. Now DM, go to show more options. Okay, wait. So go to show more options and go to properties, go to security, select your file path location. This is the object in dm.xpt. Now here, okay, file name, file reference is required here. File reference is your wish. I am giving my name only, file reference. Then give your folder path, file path location, that is a dm.xpt only. Okay. Now data dm. In my work library, I am proc cport, right? Proc c import, proc c import. Import is nothing but I am importing the file from outside to inside. Lib is equal to which library? I need work library. Work library. Then in file is equal to file reference only. File reference is my name. So here just compare the proc cport and proc c import. When we use the proc cport procedure, we have to use file statement. File statement, because what is the difference between infile and file? Infile is used for reading purpose from outside to inside. File is used for writing purpose from inside to outside. This is the file. Because I want to create the XPT file, then file statement is required along with the cport. But when we are using proc c import procedure, we have to use infile statement, because we are importing the XPT file from outside to inside. But infile statement we have to use along with the proc c import procedure. Now I am submitting this one. See this here, we have successfully imported, created my data set only. When I open, 5 variables and 19 observations are there. So this is proc c import procedure. Okay, now I have imported only one dm.xpt. Now I am giving file name. Okay, tsv, give your folder path location. But in this folder path location, I want to use dm underscore cars. Okay, dm. Next one is a underscore cars.xpt file only. Here now proc C import, lib is equal to work only, then in file is equal to give your tsv, then run it only. Now I am deleting my dm dataset in my work library. If I am submitting my tsv file, I mean second C import procedure, how many datasets we can import it from outside to inside here? Sorry? 1 or 2? I am putting the dm underscore cars xpt. In this xpt file, we have uploaded 2 datasets here. One is a cars, other one is a dm dataset. So when I am submitting, you can see the cars, you can see the dm dataset. We have successfully. For example, in my xpt file, totally 20 datasets are there, but I need only 5 datasets only. Then we can use along with the proxy import procedure. Please mention select also whatever datasets. If you want to import from that XPT to your library, you can do that. So this is a we have imported one XPT to one dataset. We have imported one XPT to multiple datasets also. So here anybody, any talk, please let me know. Yeah, proxy import, and a data step also we have discussed. This is very important for your clinical domain. Each and every data set wise, at the end of your coding, we are converting data set into XPT file. Okay. Clear or any doubt anybody? Yes. Clear. Now here tomorrow, as I said, no class for us tomorrow. So, but if you want, you can prepare this video. So here now I will share this. See this here, Pinnacle 21. This is the one guideline actually, not guideline. This is one software here. You can download this software via which one? Google Pinnacle 21. Just now I said. What is the purpose of this means? This is only purpose is you can see validator is there. Define XML file, data converter, clinical trials, government, minor. So we have to use especially this right tick mark, green tick mark is there, and that is a validator. Okay, so is there any complaints with SDTM, send, add-ons, and define XML? So now, so see this. So here, this is only, wait. So all these are, wait. All these are XPT files only. Just now I told. XPT files we can generate it by using proc copy procedure also. Same syntax here. Proc copy in is equal to out is equal to same only. You can check it this video. You can get more idea. Syntax wise only. Instead of the proxy import, proc copy, that's only 90% of the coding same. You can see the XPT. All these are XPT files only because this is the create Pinnacle 21 report for SDTM datasets. Each and every dataset we can convert it into one XPT file. You can see all these are XPT files only. Then what is our next step? Next step is click on this validator tool only. When we click on validator tool, you can see this is the one more prompt window. You can see the engine name. Engine is not V9 engine. That is in SAS only. But in Pinnacle 21 engine name is a FDA version. Yeah. What is your latest version in FDA? Please select that version only. See here, when we click on this down arrow mark, you can see the multiple versions are available. Okay, here 2204, 2203, we have so many versions are available. Whatever version is in your project, you can use that version. Next one is a standard. Standard means when we click this down arrow mark, you can see the SDTM, you can see the Adams, you can see the send, you can see the define XML only. We have different types of parameters are available. You can select the STTM. Next one is the source format. Always we have to give. See this here, SAS transport export only, nothing but XPT file. Next one is the configuration, means which version STTM guideline you are using. IG stands for implementation guideline. So 3.2 or 3.3, okay, which version you are using. This is a FDA purpose only, this XPT file for reviewing purpose. Next one is a here define.xml is not required. Here source data very important. Browse it, browse, drop your files here. Only we can select one XPT file or we can select more than one XPT file. At a time we can select the all XPT files also. Select all XPT files. Define.xml is optional. You can get more idea while attending the clinical classes. So this is a CT stands for control terminology. Okay. Control terminology, every time FDA is changing. Okay, so whatever convenient for you, which date is here, you can see the dates wise also, which day they have updated with, okay, all dates are available. You can select your own date, whatever date, okay, control terminology you are using. My suggestion, you can go for recent date, very latest date. Next one is this is a METRA. METRA stands for dictionary. Clinical trials, we have two dictionaries. One is a Hooter, other one is a METRA. So this is, you can get more idea while attending. You can see more dictionaries also there. Then validate. Click and validate only. Once you see this here, so he selected one by one. So he selected all data sets. You can see the under data source, he has selected all data sets. So we selected validating. When we click and validate, you can see the validating files only. Once the validation is over, it creates one automatic report only, Excel report. I am saying Excel report only. Validation is completed. So once validation is over, is there any issue? How many data sets? 14 or 14 data sets were validated. I mean totally 14 XPT files we have validated. So how many records? 242 records were examined. Okay. So now see this here. Excel is opening. You can see the totally in my Excel sheet. You can see the 5 different tabs only. First one is a validation summary. Second one is a dataset summary. Third one is a issue summary. Fourth one is a details. Fifth one is a rules. So at the time of attending interviews, they are asking one question. Once you have created Pinnacle 21 report, what are the tabs are available in your final report? Tabs are nothing but sheets. Here how many sheets? Validation summary, dataset summary, issue summary, details and rules also. So you can go for one page only. You can see here total how many rejects are there. 2 rejects are there. You can see the rejects are only 2. So these 2 rejects related information you can see under issue summary. This is a dataset summary. The AE wise no issue, CM wise no issue, EG wise no. These are the datasets only clinical trial side. Same datasets you also going to create. Is there any rejects? You can see it. But rejects are there totally 2 rejects. But we cannot see the rejects information in the second page. If you want to see the rejects information, go to third page only. That is a issue summary. When I open issue summary, okay, now you can see the issue summary. One is a missing define XML file, missing TS dataset only. These are the 2 severity. You can see it in your issue summary. Why we are getting this issue means you can go for details, you can go for rules also. 2 more tabs are there. You can check it, that one. Why we are, okay, that reject information is showing in my report. Based on that, you can validate. You can click this one also. Which one? Here 2 rejects are there. Click this one. This is a hyperlink only. When we click this one, it shows why we reject, why Pinnacle 21 while validating it with this record as rejected. That information you can see it when we click on this hyperlink only. It goes to next page, details page and rules page only. So based on that, you have to rectify it again. once your issue resolved, again please create same file only. Once you have created again same file, if there is no issue, then your coding is completed successfully as per FDA guidelines. Okay, is there any one reject also? Even one reject, FDA WHO company, they won't approve your report only. Okay, so this is a Pinnacle 21. No need any manual intervention. Directly we can upload the XPP files and we can check it. Is there any errors, issues, warnings, rejects, everything we can check it. Is there any rejects? It shows red color. So please rectify that issues. Once your coding is over based on that error, then again create XPT file, again create this Pinnacle 21 report only. This is in the real-time scenario, especially clinical side, we are doing routine tests. Okay, so this is our today's class here. Anybody, anyone, please let me know. So this is the Pinnacle 21. You can type it. You can get the create Pinnacle 21 report for HTM datasets only. This is for clinical side. This is not needed for banking domain, insurance domain, any other domain. Only this is useful for clinical. Still any doubt here? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then we'll meet on Monday. Yeah. Monday I will change the class. Tomorrow no class, as I said. Okay.